It is one of the nicest love stories that I have participated in. And I've participated in some of the best love stories in Indian films, I think. Yeah. And this is a beautiful love story, and it's a journey of two lovers, Kajal and myself, the characters that we play. And one is a physical journey to find love, and the other is an emotional journey to find love in spite of the problems that love might have brought to her. And at the end of the film, of course, as love stories have, crossing all obstacles, we complete this journey and come together. It's a very joyful film. It's a film about hope, it's a film about love, and it's a film about positivity. And I think the most important part of this film is the fact that Karan has made a very different kind of cinema while retaining the Karan Joharishness of films, which I love the most. And I love them most because, like Kajal said, I also truly believe, not because he's my friend or he's part of the family, but I truly believe that the way Karan has worked with me and Kajal, both of us can say that he really does complete a journey as actors. And if it wasn't for Karan Johar and his films and the work that we've participated in, and the ones we've not even participated in, I think Indian cinema would be bereft of some wonderful, wonderful films.
I think it's fantastic. It's superb. Shah Rukh has a bad habit, frankly. I think once you work with him, you're spoiled. You're spoiled for working with other people, really.
I personally believe the issue is how we can love in spite of things going wrong around us. And that is the whole thing, that how love can conquer everything, how people can find strength in love. In this case, Karan has I won't divulge the story, but there's a beautiful moment when Mandira says in the end that I learned how to love. I had lost that thought and those feelings. And I say the only way to go forward in life is to love everyone. So it's basically it could have been with anyone. It's about humanity. It's not about Muslims or Hindus or Christians or French or Chinese or any state or religion. It's actually about humanity. So I don't think both can be equated really. It may seem like it from the outside, but it's not true.
ये एक्चुअली एक इंटरेस्टिंग एक्सपीरियंस है. ये फिल्म जो है जो शिवानी भतीजा ने लिखी है, इट्स एक्चुअली फिक्शन अगेंस्ट फैक्ट. तो ये एक फिक्शनल टेल है, फिक्शनल कहानी है, which is based against fact, and it spreads. It's epic structure की कहानी है. तो रिजवान जो है हमारे फिल्म के किरदार है, रिजवान 4 साल की उम्र से right up to he is 40 years old is the कहानी spans. और उसकी जिंदगी में होती क्या है, तो उसकी कहानी में बहुत सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स आते हैं जो रियली हुए हैं पॉलिटिकली एंड सोशली जिंदगी में, लेकिन इट्स एन इमोशनल फिक्शनल लव स्टोरी दैट इज बेस्ड अगेंस्ट एक्चुअल फैक्ट. दैट इज एक्चुअली सो किसी की पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू की कहानी नहीं ना मंदिरा की, ना रिजवान की, एंड सर्टनली नॉट माइंड. लेकिन ये इट्स अ बायोपिक स्ट्रक्चर. लाइक अगर आप पिक्चर देखोगे तो अंत में ऐसा लगेगा कि शायद ही ये सच्ची कहानी है. रिजवान खान जैसा काश ऐसा कोई इंसान होता है जिंदगी में, तो इट वुड चेंज अ लॉट इन द वर्ल्ड.
I think it is, every actor has a desire to do something special in his life. And it may seem that I'm thanking Kajal and Karan too much, but to be able to come aboard a film and help me develop this character, I really owe it to Kajal a lot, one, and I really owe it to Karan for thinking of a subject like this. But autism, or in our case, because you helped me with my acting, Karan. I like you. We are wearing the same red thing. Yeah, because for supporting me in wearing red. But when I was young, which was just 2 years back, I used to work with a lot of specially challenged people and special children in a theatre. And we've done some plays and workshops with kids who are afflicted with autism. And I grew up amongst a lot of them and doing theatre and stuff like that. A little bit of research happened. There was a wonderful book, which I always get the title wrong because it's very long, The Curious Incident of the Dog in the Middle of the Night Time. I always get that. So I read that, then I started watching a lot of videos of people who have Asperger's. Then I started training myself because there needs to be a lot of physical control and verbal control, and still not be able to, in any which way, overdo it, go wrong. And after that, I met a couple of people who are afflicted with the same challenge, and then I started showing it to Karan. And certain scenes, when I say Kajal and Karan have helped me a lot, is because they let me have the freedom to try, go wrong, redo it. But it's one of the nicest experiences of my acting career. Plus, I'm really hopeful that this will bring to fore people who are afflicted by this syndrome. The film is not about that. And the challenge I have is that can every woman, man, child who sees this character thinks of this person as an absolutely normal person that you can fall in love with, besides the fact that there might be a disease or a disorder, as people call it, a disorder that may be attached to his personality. Because it's not a problem to be in love with people who are challenged. And to me, I hope that is something that I'm able to convey in the film, really. And you know, what helps is that Kajal loves me in the film. So if Kajal loves anyone, then I'm sure everybody will love that person.